Okay, practice problem 5 for the numbers. I have 16 divided by 2, which is 8. That's in the numerator. Then I have an 8 and a 7. 8 is larger, so we're subtracting on top. And we do 8 minus 7. So the final answer is 8a to the first power. You will not see that 1. You will just see 8a. The denominator's gone. Everything is now in the numerator. Last practice problem. There's no numbers to deal with, so we just need to subtract from the larger exponent, which is down here in our denominator. So it's 4 minus 1. So we have g to the third. When there's nothing in the numerator, you have to put the placeholder there, right? You can't have a blank space like that. So we're going to put the 1 here to show that there's a 1. If that were just a 1 in the denominator, it wouldn't need to be there. So if it were g third over 1, we don't need the 1 down here. But if the 1 is in the numerator by itself, you do have to write it. Otherwise, it looks weird. So that's your final answer. Time for your exit ticket. Show your work, and you're ready.